Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alina and I'm a certified personal trainer, and in today's video we're going to do a 10-minute beginner-friendly HIIT workout. So HIIT essentially means high intensity interval training. It's basically going really hard for a little bit of time, then resting, going really hard, resting, etc. I love incorporating this type of exercise because it's like a very fast way to get a good cardio workout in, especially now when we're stuck inside. If you're home, then this is especially helpful because you may not have access to a treadmill or you may not be able to go for walks as much as you'd like to, and this is a great alternative to work your heart and all the things. So this is going to be a 10-minute workout, like I said, and it's only going to have 5 exercises. So we're going to do the 5 exercises back to back, so A, B, C, D, E, and then we're going to repeat A, B, C, D, E, so 2 rounds and you're done with the workout. I'm going to be giving you options for all the exercises, so don't worry about it. It'll be in like a box in the corner, a modification for the exercise, but if you're feeling pumped, then I challenge you to try and do the exercises the way I have them written out. So I'm going to show you the exercises real quick and the modifications, and then we're going to get into the workout. If you want, you can just fast forward to the workout if you already know all these exercises, so go for it. The first exercise is an A step. It's essentially kind of like a high knee with a skip. So a high knee is like this, but with an A step, you're going to add a jump. So jump, 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 jump. Just like that. And an alternative for that is just to do marching in place. So I really challenge you, if you can, to add in your arms just so that it's more full body-esque. The next exercise is going to be jump squats. So feet hip distance apart, slightly pointed out, and jump. If the jumping is too much for you, you can just do normal squats. Just like that. The next exercise is going to be just a shuffle. So you're just moving your feet back and forth and your arms as well. If that's too much, you can also just jog in place. The next exercise is a half burpee. So let me demonstrate. You're going to go down like you're doing a full burpee. And instead of putting your chest to the ground, you're going to stop here and jump. If that's too much for you, you can just do a walkout burpee so that it's less jumping. So go down, walk out, walk in, stand. So that's your modification. I'm already out of breath. Wow. Okay, the last exercise is skaters. So let me show you first. We're going to start at one end of your mat. You're going to be on one foot, and then you're going to jump and land on one foot. My balance is clearly not the best, but so here's your modification. When you jump, place this foot on the ground, the one that's not working. That way it's easier. Or if you're ready for the more advanced version, and there you have it. So those are the 5 exercises. We're gonna do 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off for all of them. So we'll repeat, and there will be no bigger rest in between. We're gonna go straight through, so that's exactly 10 minutes. So let's get started. If you have an Apple Watch or anything, then you wanna start it now. Mine died, so I can't really do that. And let's go. A steps first. Try and make sure your knee is coming as high as you can, so like in level with your waist. And remember, the modification is to just march in place. I'm ready. One exercise done. Remember, the next jump squats. If the jump is too much for you, I don't know why I keep hitting my hand. If the jump is too much for you, just do normal squats. And push yourself. It's only 10 minutes. You can do anything for just 10 minutes. So let's get ready for the next one. Mat. Modification in the middle, just don't stop. Next exercise is shuffle, and the modification is to jog in place. If your mat keeps moving, I don't know how the solution for you, but just be careful that you're not slipping. 5 seconds. We can do this. It's only 10 minutes. Next exercise is the half burpee. Remember, you can walk out and do a slower version of it without jumping. Catch your breath when you're resting, because the exercise starts and then your heart rate will go straight back up. My least favorite. Last one is skaters. Remember, you can use both legs, put both legs on the ground to make it easier, or if you're challenging yourself, just one leg. Seconds until round 2. Just remember, it's 10 minutes. You can do anything for 10 minutes. Now remember, if it gets hard in the middle and you really can't do it, then just switch to the modification in the middle. That's totally fine, as long as you keep going. 8 steps. is jump squats. Remember, you can do just normal squats if the jumping is too much for you. Also, if you live in an apartment building where your neighbor will get mad at you for jumping, that's also when the modifications can help you, but challenge yourself. Just do whatever you can to the best of your ability. Ready? Not less. Next exercise is the shuffle. Remember, you can jog in place instead. Find a solution. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Go. Only 2 more exercises left, guys. Next one is a half burpee. Remember, you can walk out instead of doing the jumping part, whatever you're comfortable with. Five seconds. 3. One more exercise and you're done. Skaters. You're almost there. Remember, use both legs if this is too difficult for you. 3, 2. Congratulations, you're done. I love adding that to like strength workouts at the end, so like I get some cardio in and my heart rate goes up. I feel that everywhere. During the half burpees, I feel it in my arms. During the leg exercises, obviously my legs. My heart rate is constantly high. I don't have my watch on, but I hope you got through this workout. If you did, let me know how it goes. Leave a comment down below. Like this video if you found this workout helpful. I recommend saving it if you want to keep trying to challenge yourself and get better at it. You can always repeat workouts. That's how you get better. That's how you learn the exercises. So I hope you enjoyed that, and let me know what workout you'd like to see next. And as always, you can follow me at @CoachAlina_ on Instagram, and I love talking to all of you there and sharing what I'm eating, what I'm doing, a bunch of stuff. So make sure you drink water too. I don't know where my water is. Beginner, rookie mistake. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!